Ka Frank Yamaha haka atpuriu terik benai risau arajar pesau kelak pelong. Ya ka hybrid mileage challenge ka bedai ke jing kop nya skuti. Banyak tunjuk ya iwei pan mono bala banya ya ka skuti haka jenglut petrol ke bakam duna. Haka linti ya ke bakam jengai kemba lifesan poinsan kilometer. Banyak kini ke jing kop la sedang nak ke showroom jangka Yamaha ke badan hasar Nongpoh. Ya kini ke hybrid mileage challenge lawan ban penbet ban penyai du Sajid Hasan badi u area service manager uba indon lang pasa badi utrai jaga Frank Yamaha nang ta ba Michael Karhunai ubadi utrai ka YBC kinong penyai jaga Frank Yamaha bat na Nongpoh hakini kejing kun kila dan sipongut kinong nya skuti ki belawan ban menta bat syua ban sedang ya kejing kun kinong penyai kila pendap syua da ke petrol ya ka skuti kenang bagan pensuk ban ken ya ke jinghiar ke petrol habaya linti na kini ke showroom syado umran bat phai biang sya kini ke showroom hadi melapoi ha showroom kinong penyat kin pet pat ya ke jingjingai bagini ke skuti kiat bat kin thopat bakat no liter ke petrol ke bam bat yu nong job la pen bana tang ya ki bayai kham jingai ka kilometer bat ke petrol ke ba ki duna banyan haba phai sya ke result u Pynshailang kersia ulayo ra ya kanam job baningkong hag jingya linti ke ba lifesan poinsan kilometer bat ulayo ya ke mileage ke balong pra punriu poinsan pupra bat u bayai sya scam singkli ulayo ra ya ke kerdan ke baar hag jingjingai ke balong lifesan poinsau kilometer bat ke mileage ke balong pra puar poin lai puar kat bau banket bok dingdo ulayo ya ke kerdan ke balai hag jingjingai ke ba lifesan poin lai kilometer bat ke mileage ke balong prapu ar poin kendai. Nak kalian kinong penyai kila itu baling ba kini ke hybrid mileage challenge kipat ba kin satip syushu ba ke Yamaha kelong ke bapakatam na ke bynta kalik kawan jongki baling ba kini ke challenge kin yo iru ba kini ke skuti bala penbi da ke Yamaha kan wan ra ya ke jinglut ke baduna ba namar ki degi jat skuti ki babam duna ya ki petrol bat kanum keta ya kipat ba ki ba iet ba song tanat ya kini ke company Yamaha.
Yes. Big round of applause. Three, two, one, go. Thank you very much. This was for Yamaha Hybrid Mileage Challenge. Anyone? Okay, you please take the cake and just from my side. Okay, you are the winner. Okay, you please half cut. You please half cut. Thank you very much.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Sajid Hassan from Yamaha company, and I am here for the beautiful event like the hybrid mileage challenge activity that is conducted by Yamaha Motor, Frank Yamaha Shillong. So as you can see that the backdrop, we have a hybrid mileage challenge activity. In this activity, we have called 10 customers. Okay, and we have given the chance to customers to take out the best mileage from their scooters. And we have adopting the fuel mileage calculation as per the standard of method that we have adopted. So right, so for the top 3 winners, we have given that first one 2,000 and 3,000 rupees for the winners also along with the trophy. Every participant has got the certificate including the Yamaha tumbler provided by the Yamaha company. So it's been a great over here tonight. Everyone has been enjoyed a lot, and all the customers has been very much satisfied with their scooter performance. The highest, the winner is taken the 86 kmpl per liter, followed by 82 and followed by 81 something. So this is all the expectation of the customers before starting this activities was something like that 40 or 50. After the activity, it was came to know that everybody is surprised. Oh, Yamaha RZR is giving so much of mileage. So it's been quite good. Our staff is very much delighted. Our sales team is very much delighted. Our dealer VIP is very much delighted. So it is not just the end in this kind of activity. We have to extend further. We have to extend further in our local team also, in our YBC network also, and in our different branches also. So I hope this activity will give us the momentum to improve the further sales of the scooter in the market of Shillong. So thanks for joining us. This is again, I am welcoming you on behalf of, thanks for joining and thanks for giving the time to the Yamaha team. So thank you everyone, and thank you Frank Yamaha Shillong, and thank you Yamaha. Thank you.
Kami memiliki staff juga yang kena kita pada sini bagaimana juga tes kemalis juga skuti mayo rap R.7 so komen job dalam pelayan kenal dengan tempat persang bagian lagi beri baru jadi staff di participate ini bagai masih mendalamnya basically
Nariyan dong ka Yamaha team ni Boy mentakasmi layo on kolom lagi ka hybrid mileage campaign na kumamila in tulong yung program. Ini awa ki customer layo ang test na natin mahmat ya diskuti ini. Kali kasi ko ba sa kasi sa atin mo ki customer kung kini yo tip ay ba ki mengkam na so ki wala tip ang kasi ni diskuti ni wala latest drive today ay po kilometer layo kemalis ko ba prapo so ay buat beliau iba company yung Yamaha kalau ini program ini sekian banyak respon dengan pulau susu report kan bagi customer konduktif ya kamnya ya mileage yang mereka company ay dari sini tim berkoi di bawah nasional dengan Nongpoh di bagian Khasi kalau berbagai polisi